everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw daisies, and they're really cute, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you want to draw are 3 ovals. Then you want to draw 3 smaller circles inside these ovals. What I used to draw this is a red erasable pencil because these are just the guidelines. I'll be erasing them later on. And now we can start on the actual flower. So I used a black felt tip pen for this, but you could use any pen that you'd like. Once you draw a petal, move your paper clockwise and draw the next one. Continue doing this until you've drawn about 8 to 9 petals per flower. Make sure your petals are long enough so they're touching the red guidelines, but don't extend them beyond the red circle. Now in between these petals, you want to draw more petals. So draw 5 to 6 more kind of tucked behind, and this will make it look like they're overlapping. After that, you want to outline the center circle and draw 2 dots inside of it. For the second and third flower, you want to repeat the exact same steps. I'm going to fast forward the video a little bit more so you guys don't get bored. If at any point you feel like I'm going too fast, you can always slow down the video. You can also just press rewind and watch it again. Now we can start drawing the stems. So first I just sketched out where I want them to be. They're just 2 parallel lines coming down from the center of the flower. After you're happy with their placement, you can outline them very carefully using your pen. For the smaller details, I'm using a pen with a smaller tip, and you don't have to use this, I just like the way it looks. Here I'm drawing small strokes around the center of each flower. And then, very lightly, draw a line going through the middle of each petal. And now for the fun part, we can start coloring our picture. I'm using my gold colored pencil to color the center of the flowers. With a regular pencil, I'm shading the background petals we had made earlier. This will make our drawing look more dimensional. And finally, we can use our green colored pencil to color the stems. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I worked really hard on it and I would appreciate your feedback. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one.